my name is Todd Project. I am a certified ProPan installer for FinPan. And today we are going to show you how to install a 3x5 shower pan that was cut wrong or measured wrong. We're going to show you how to make a dovetail and extend the pan in order for the drain to work. So the first thing we did was cut the 2-inch drain out, the spin drain out. And my helper will come in with some modified thin set and smear the floor. Then, after he's done smearing the thin set, the modified thin set, he'll take his glue and apply it to the bottom of the pan, and he'll place the pan in place. And the great thing about the FinPan ProPan, the pan itself, is that, like I said, if the dimensions are wrong, you can always call them and they can re-modify it and give you an added piece to put on it that will still create your 1/4 inch per foot slope. It makes it very tile friendly. So what I'm doing now is remodifying my dovetails. So when I put my board down, they will fit in. Aaron will now put Sikaflex on this dovetail, so when I seam it, it creates my bond. There's my bond, there's my slope, there's my dovetail, and now it fits. And just so you know, this application, this pan, was a little bigger than 5 feet, so it wasn't a standard 3x5 shower. That's why we put a dovetail on it and made it a little bit bigger. It was 2 inches bigger. So now what we do is we cut the curb in length. And it should be 60.5 inches. So that's what needs to come off of there. As Aaron goes and does that, I'll put a bead of Sikaflex in this channel here. I mean, look how quick that application worked. Normally you would have to build 3 2x4s on top of each other, screw them all down, bring your liner all the way up, over and over, and then rod off the whole shower. In this application is now I'm done. In a matter of 10 minutes, 15 minutes at the most, I got my curb set, my pan set, my drain set, and I can do these 3 walls and I can set tile today. The bonus for using this FinPan application is that this is a lifetime warranty. If I use all of their products, it will be a lifetime guaranteed on the installation, application. FinPan does provide simple tileable solutions for the average tile setter such as myself. You can check out all their products at finpan.com.